Good morning to all of you. In today's lab, we will perform your practical number 3, in which we have to implement network topologies in a Cisco packet tracer, right? So see, in a theory already we have learned topologies. Many types of topologies we have discussed with the diagram, its advantage and its disadvantage, right? First thing we know that topologies is a physical layout, how you can create the network if you're having all the networking devices, right? And there are many topologies which are used in a network, say mass, star, ring, bus, right? That are the basic topologies. Nowadays advanced level of topologies are also used, that is tree and hybrid. So what we will do is we will practically implement the topologies in a Cisco packet tracer. So all of you just open your Cisco packet tracer and make sure for every lab you maintain your tutorial document, and within 1 week you have to upload it in your Google Classroom. Okay, now we will start first implementing the topology. So for that, first we need to create the structure. That means we need devices. So first we will take n devices, right? So let's take the PC. See, I'm taking over here 4 PC. If you need, you can take more number of PCs over here, because if you are creating local area network you need devices according to that. If you are creating a wide area network you need more devices, right? Same way over here we will do this. After that you have to take the switch. So switch you will take 295024, four switches you have to take. Okay, prepare this structure. Okay, now we have to provide the connection, right? So for that just you have to observe the things. Okay, go to connection, select automatically choose connection type. Now just connect. You have to just do this. It will automatically take the connection. Same way we will provide connection to this switch. So just one by one provide the connection between this all the devices. Right? This is the next step. And parallelly, you have to take the snapshot also. See, in a ring topology, we have learned that one node is connected with the next node and the last node is connected with the first node. So first we are creating the ring topology. Once you're done, just write in a chat done. I will go with the next step. Okay. Now we need to provide the IP address, right? Till now we have learned these things, but now we will start actual functionalities of configuration. So for that we need to provide the IP address, then and then we can send and receive the data. So first you just take this label note. Now click over here. So we can use class C IP address. So we will use 192.168. You can take any range over here. Let's take 0.1. Then for this PC we will assign 192.168.0.2. For this PC we will assign 192.168.0.3. For this PC we will assign 192.168.0.4. So first all of you just take this node. Why we have taken this node? It will be easy to configure this PC. You can even write over here it's a ring topology. Yeah. You just assign the label.
मैम
Yes.
ये तो कल हमने किया था। कल
अरे
हमने
ब्रो
किया।
जिसका हो गया वो दूसरा वर्क करो।
अच्छा
Sagar, you just mute your audio and communicate with Sahil. You have joined late. In prior, I have given all the instructions. This is your regular lab. At that time, you come in another batch. But I have to cover this practical for all the regular students of this batch. Yeah. So all of you have taken the label over here. Students, those who are doing this practical.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So now we will start configuring this PC. So just click on the PC. Now you have to go to desktop. Once you click desktop, it will give you many options. You have to select IP configuration. Now we will write this IP which we have written in a label. So same you have to do over here. So 192.168.0.1. Then you just press the tab. It will take the subnet mask for class C. Also, you have to remember that for the class C, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, same way we have to configure all the PC. I will do over here. Parallelly, you just continue in your system. So 192.168.0.2. Then subnet mask. Now the next over here for this PC, I have to configure 192.168.0.3. Yes. So now we have configured all the PC and we have taken the devices, provide the connection, also configure it. Right now to check the outcome in a Cisco packet tracer, I will show you the process. First, you just observe over here. You have to add PDU. PDU is like a ping. We have run this command, right? Ping command is used to check internet is working, functionalities are working or not. Same way like in a Cisco packet tracer, it will work the same. Like if you just have to click on this, it's a kind of notification PDU. Now you will get this kind of message envelope. You have to click on one PC and you click on another PC. Now at this below part you get successful. If you are getting successful, that means your topology configured properly in a network. Suppose you want to trace the path, like from PC0 to PC2 you drop the PDU, so it may choose the path. There are many options to reach to this one. If you want to trace it, just click on simulation. First you just do one thing, you just drop one PDU. Do that process, check the outcome you are getting successful or not. Then I will show you the next step. Okay, now we want to trace it in a detail. So for that, what you have to do is, first at a below part over here, just click on a simulation. Then again take one PDU. Now we will drop it between PC1 to PC3. And then you have to click over here. So it will start tracing that path. It will take the time and that message through which route it pass, it will trace everything over here. You can view in a table event list or parallelly over here in a topology. Like in a previous practical, we have run the ARP command, right? So over here you can view that as a protocol. ARP, that is address resolution protocol. ICMP, that is internet control message passing. Okay. So all of you done with this or not? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now we have learned many other topologies, right? So same we will implement. Let me just come to real time. Close that one. Now you just prepare another topology. Uh, Now next all we will prepare bus topology, right? So again we need a PC over here. And in a bus topology we have discussed that all the nodes are connected with one cable, right? So for that first again we will take the switch only. Same switch you can take 295024 switch. For every PC you have to take the switch. And now, okay, first prepare the structure. Student, just a second. Due to network issue, I am out of the meeting. Let me present my screen again. Okay, so now my screen is visible to all. Just a second. Yeah, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So, till now we are over here, we have prepared this structure. Now we have to choose automatically choose connection type. First we will cover all the switch. Okay, now we will connect this PC with this switch. Okay, so provide the connection. Okay, now we will first take the note and then we will configure the PC. First thing, this is ring topology and bus topology. Now over, you can take the same range, right? Now, so take this note over here. Okay, now we will start configuring the system. Add devices, right? Go to desktop, again repeat the same process. We will configure every PC again. So complete this process. And if you observe that once you are providing the IP address to all the PC, every connection, it will convert it into green. That means the configuration, whatever you have done, it done properly. Okay. Now we will check through the PDU that it is done or not. So now take this PDU, drop it from PC4 to any PC you can verify, right? See, I'm getting successful. Let me simulate the path. It will take the time because over here the path is large and many systems we have added over here. So it will trace the whole path. Okay, now all of you done? You are getting the outcome for this topology or not? Students? Okay. Now what? Now you know the process how to configure the topology in or in a Cisco packet tracer. Next two topologies you have to implement. First one, now you will prepare for the mesh topology, and next one that is a star topology. First you just do with your end. If you are facing the top problem, you can communicate to me, right? Already two topologies I have go with you. See, for the star topology, let me just discuss one point. Yeah, what we have discussed, that for the star topology, you need n devices, say for example PC, and that PCs are connected with the hub. So you just go to this n device. Over here it is available hub. You can take PT hub, and you have to connect this PC with this hub. So this will work as a what? Star topology. You have to prepare this structure and configure it. Star topology, you have to configure. So first prepare the star topology. Okay, so you are able to do a star topology or not? Shyam, Ayushi?
Ma'am, doing.
Okay, continue, right? So see, if you're combining one star topology with another star star topology, so you can consider it a tree topology, right? Like one is and
Ma'am, your
B.
voice is lagging.
What? See, once you are combining one star topology with next star topology and many star topologies, if you are combining, so it will become a tree topology. That is again a network. Just a second. Okay, so now it's audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah, I'm telling that right now you create one star topology. If you create multiple star topology and you are connecting one hub with another hub, so that will become a tree topology. Another concept as we have learned that suppose you are connecting your this bus topology with this star topology, so it is known as hybrid topology. Right now we have combined bus topology with star topology. You can combine any topologies according to your requirement to create the network. So that will be considered as a hybrid topology. So now it's clear to everyone. Topology structure and point. Till now, is there any doubt to any student? Okay, just give me a second to take the attendance.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what we have to do in the first practical? Demonstrate packet tracer and endpoint devices and the configuration in packet tracer. I'm a
Yeah, so
bit confused.
at that time I told that first thing you have to add information related to packet tracer. Then I have explained all the devices like router, switch, hub, and the types of cables. So that one by one you have to add the screenshot of that devices and for which purpose we are using that device. You can also prepare
Okay, ma'am.
the difference between switch, router, and hub. Like all the devices will work used to connect end devices and forward the packet. But every device, as we have discussed the difference, so that you have to add. And at last, how you configure. So I have shown you the steps. You can configure the router. That step I have implement, right? So that things you have to add. Like how you can configure the PC, you have to provide the IP address and that step. That thing step by step you have to add in your document, and that's how you can prepare tutorial 1 document.
Okay, ma'am. First, we have to give the details of the packet tracer. Then we have to configure the device, how we can use that devices, and some screenshots.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am. Thank
correct.
you.
Okay, we'll start the attendance. 911 says 109 180
Present.
222 918 222
Yes, ma'am, present.
108
Present, ma'am.
109
Present, ma'am.
111
Present, ma'am.
112. 130.
Present, ma'am.
133.
Present, ma'am.
926. 41.
Present, ma'am.
42. 44.
Present, ma'am.
45. 46.
Present, ma'am.
47. 48. 49. 50. Still, many students are absent. Okay, so thank you all of you. You can leave now. Have a nice day. Be safe at your home.